Okay, so here are the two halves, all pretty much done. I've got to do some sanding, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But you can see, here's the center seam, or the old center seam. It comes up to about that point. The base side actually overlaps over, and this is just right. Now, if I were making a real cutaway, this side would just be shaped a little differently, and otherwise it's pretty much exactly the same. So now I'm going to use my little sander here and sand this up. To make it stable like this, because I needed a large table to be able to put these down and be sure that they stayed nice and level and perpendicular to the sanding surface. So I couldn't find a spindle sander that would do quite the same thing. So this is my cheap spindle sander. So anyway, I'll show you what this looks like, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've finished doing all of the sanding around the inside of the mold, except for one spot, and that's this section up here where the cutaway part meets the other half. And I'm going to do that on the disc sander because I want it to be very, very flat. Okay, so that's done. That half is done. Now to do the other side.